Hello parents, if you are looking for simple screen-free ways to keep your little ones happily engaged, you are in exactly right place. As a parent, we all want best for our little ones, but let's be honest, finding the time to plan educational activities every single day can feel completely overwhelming. That is why today I'm sharing 5 simple hands-on daily learning activities designed specifically for 3 to 5 years olds, which you can set up just in minutes using textbook and color pens. Let's get started. Color by number. In this activity, you can see an island with 2 wavy palm trees. Below, for numbers, code is given. By looking at the color code, kids have to color the picture. Now, before we start coloring, let me quickly share why this simple coloring activity is so amazing for your child's brain. First, as your child has to actively search for numbers and connect them to the color code at the bottom, it helps them to recognize numbers. Second, it teaches them to follow direction. Next, as coloring inside those small resections and tiny coconuts strengthens their finger muscles, which helps them to develop fine motor skills. And finally, as they are following a guide instead of scribbling, it naturally builds patience and focus. Next activity is this adorable Count the Bugs game. In this activity, as you can see, there are many green wavy caterpillars, ladybugs and butterflies. Here, the little ones have to find the number of bugs available, count and write the number in respective box. This activity is packed with hidden learning benefits that goes way beyond basic counting. This activity teaches visual sorting and data collection. Instead of counting objects in a neat row, your child has to look at the scattered group, focus on just one type of bug at a time and ignore others. This builds a foundational math skill. Also, this activity strengthens one-to-one correspondence and develops focus in visual field. Next one is flower letter game. This is a fantastic DIY activity for early literacy. By physically moving their colored paper flowers to match the letters written next to the stems, your child is practicing letter recognition and visual discrimination. More importantly, it is a brilliant way to teach them name spelling. Using their own name or a familiar word makes learning deeply personal and exciting. Plus, lifting and placing small paper shapes builds eye-hand coordination. Next one is circle the odd one out. In this activity, little ones have to look closely at shapes, colors and types of objects to spot subtle difference across the horizontal row, which helps to develop visual discrimination. Also, to find the odd one out, their brain has to subconsciously group the other 3 items together. This forms the core foundation for early math and science reasoning. Match the dress. In this activity, to find the correct matching dress, your child must pay close attention to details like colors, strips, dots or patterns. This activity helps kids to develop visual scanning skills. And that's bring us to the end of daily learning activities. Remember parents that early education doesn't require expensive toys or endless worksheets. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe.
Video பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Bye.